The Dentons Privacy and Cybersecurity Group, we often sort of say that we operate at the intersection of law and technology. Would you say that EllisDon operates at the intersection of construction and data now?
I think it's imperative on all businesses to think about their data now and how they're managing their data. And for construction, it's absolutely more so because that's what we do. We're a data company, we're a knowledge-based company. For us, it's really about how can we leverage our data to make sure that the service that we're delivering to our clients at the end of the day is of the highest quality and results in the highest quality product to that client. And as we transform ourselves from being a pure construction company to being what we now call a global construction services provider, that becomes increasingly more important. And we now need to understand the data that we derive from our construction team in order to leverage it for our facilities management and operations team. So we understand that if we put a particular piece of equipment or system within a space, we now need to understand how that's going to operate over the life of the asset.
What are some of the challenges that you face as you reoriented the company to a more digital world? And what advice would you give other organizations that are doing that exact same kind of shift?
For a construction company, I mean, really, we are one of the furthest types of industries away from technology in the traditional sense. And so I think you can see those great McKinsey studies that I think they pegged us just above hunters and farmers in terms of productivity growth through technology. And so it was a real challenge for us to start looking at how we could transform the company into a digital company, from a traditional company that used blueprints into a company that was not only designing buildings in 3D, but also using those 3D models to facilitate the construction process and then ultimately operate those buildings after they were completed. So it takes a lot of change management, and what I think has been most important to our organization from a change management perspective is to focus on it from a values perspective. And we have a number of values within EllisDon that we hold quite sacred, both from an employee stakeholder point of view and from what we deliver to our clients, including probably most importantly, openness and transparency. And so from a change management perspective internally, it was very important that everyone that we work with, everyone within the organization, understands why we are doing things in addition to how we are going to do them. And when we take that approach to our clients, we take that same values-based approach. And that has allowed us to answer questions for clients about what's leading edge, what's bleeding edge, why do they need to have a particular type of technology in their facility, why it's important to how they run their business. And that's allowed us to build trust with those clients and has helped us grow the business overall.